Riselaser Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise engaged in the research, development, production, and sales of laser welding equipment. Our main focus is on various types of automated equipment centered around laser welding devices. We provide a wide range of laser equipment to global customers, including robotics and automated intelligent manufacturing solutions. Riselaser comprehensively lay out laser intelligent equipment measurement and automation production lines, and smart factory construction, offering holistic solutions for intelligent manufacturing. We participate in building a fully connected, fully perceptible, and fully intelligent world, aiming to become a globally influential laser technology enterprise. Riselaser products are operational in over 100 countries and regions worldwide, with contract sales exceeding 10,000 units in 2022. Adhering to a customer-centric approach and a core value of continuous innovation, Riselaser emphasizes customer service, talent cultivation, and product innovation. Currently, we and our cooperative factory have a dedicated workforce of over 100 employees, including 20-plus R&D personnel and 400-plus customer service and technical staff. We and our cooperative factory have established 4 standardized equipment manufacturing bases in China with a total area exceeding 6,000 square meters. Additionally, Riselaser has nearly 30 sales and service centers and wholly owned subsidiaries in key countries in Europe and America.